Hey guys, Brandon from Mower, and in this video I'll walk you through a full service on a John Deere D110 with a Brixton Stratton's engine. These steps apply broadly to most Brixton Stratton ride-on engines. We'll cover changing the oil filter, air filter, fuel filter. Let's start with the engine. The parts you'll need are an oil filter, fuel filter, and an air filter, plus SAE 30 engine oil, roughly around 2 liters just to be safe for your ride-on engine. Before I get started, I like to wear a set of steel cap boots and a set of gloves just in case of any chemicals.
We'll begin by draining the engine oil. While the oil drains, let's quickly check the air filter and see if it needs a clean or a swap. We removed the air filter and tapped it on the ground to knock out the dust. It was still clean enough to use, so we added a little oil to the tip and refitted it. Now we move on to the oil filter, removing the old one and upgrading to a new filter from romo.au for optimal performance. Now we'll replace the old fuel filter to ensure smooth and efficient engine performance. Don't forget to lock the clips as it may leak. Now we'll return to the oil we left to drain and refill it with fresh engine oil. Remove the cap. Put a funnel. Also, you can see there is no oil. Let's fill it with fresh oil.
After you've serviced your engine, it's always good to run it for about 15 seconds and then recheck your levels. It's been about 15 seconds. We come back in. After you've run it, the oil level will drop after a bit, as you can see. We'll add an itty bitty titty more oil. Now, we top her up by just a little bit of eyeballing. That's how I do it. And that's the basic needs for servicing a John Deere D110.